I said it before I did it. I said it before I did it. I said it before I did it. If you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, then you missed out on the greatest piece of YouTube videography you've ever seen in your entire life, okay?
I'm gonna do a two-step and a pill out. Anybody come up to me and say, nah, bro, you can't do it. Understand that. Nobody told me don't do it, right?
Understand that. Nobody told me don't do it, right? What's good? What's good? If you haven't seen this video, go watch it right now. Mr. Red Honda Jesus himself descended from the heavens and he gave us this masterpiece. A lot of you guys have probably seen on Instagram this video.
Oh shit. Yo, that's it. Shit.
Just drive off, drive off.
Hey, put the car fucking.
Oh, watch out, drive off, drive off.
Put the car fucking.
No, drive off, fuck though.
So, this guy basically went and got arrested, but it gets better than that. Not only did he go and do all this crazy stuff and we got these Instagram videos, he uploaded the entire thing to YouTube. He has a YouTube channel. And that's it TV, or .tv. His YouTube channel, his gift to the world. I don't even know like what to say, because it's just so amazing. I just have to show you guys. He vlogged the entire day of him in Las Vegas getting arrested. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. It is so much better than whatever you're thinking in your head. It's just, let's just jump right into it. This is before the madness, guys. This is before the madness. This man right here, that is before the madness, okay?
This is how we get. The man I met let you already know the business if you didn't know these weeks.
Is that even English?
Damn, it's cold out here.
Alright guys, unfortunately, I might get demonetized if I show this part. So, I'm gonna just skip past it, and then I'll act it out since you know, I deserve a Grammy. Hey man, so you get
Let's go.
Where's that? That's why I do it, so you can get that footage, bro. Get the footage. Keep it on record.
This man, I mean, he's low-key kind of smart, bro. Getting that footage, he's all about that YouTube money, bro. Mr. Hold on, not Mr. Super with it, Mr. Supper with it. Supper with it. Get it right.
Hey, just catch one more and a pill out right No, right here.
Don't forget the pill out. Can I get a two-step and a pill out? Two-step and a pill out. Who?
It's over with it.
Hey, those crunch want a piece of it.
Oh shit! Oh.
Chill. Follow us. Chill out.
Oh, there's so many Wow. Fucking
That's
cop
like
cars.
number 30 at least.
I'm late on this camera shit because we just started, but trust, bro, no way.
I know the camera isn't doing this justice. This car is so loud. His two-step is like, it literally sounds like someone has like an AK-47.
No, what is his maniac doing? Yo!
What is he doing? Alright, I don't know what that was. He just runs out in the street.
Thank you guys.
How'd you feel? Like,
that was kind of wild right there. It was fun as fuck, but it was adrenaline to the fullest right there.
super.
That what he did?
Get the footage! Keep it on record!
Oh. Bro. It's so loud, and it sounds so bad too. His car sounds so bad. Is that guy just throwing up?
Wow.
Oh.
No.
I mean, alright, the two-step sounds alright, but... What is he doing? He's just...
I thought it was gunshots. He hid behind his bitch, lady.
So he's just yelling at these random people. Something's happening. Something's in the air or something, right? We're devolving, all right? We're going back in evolution, okay? People are getting stupider. I don't know what it is. There's a lot of people in the car community too that are suffering from the...
See that shit? We live all day, every day. Stay with it.
I like how he puts this like... So this is his like proof that he's with it. He's super with it because he took a picture with some random girls on the street.
Stay super.
That fool legit reminds me.
What did he like? What? Why am I looking at this? Okay, then he gets out. I still don't know what he's doing. That is so loud. I can't imagine how loud it was in there, but it was probably so loud.
We out, get the fuck out here, we out.
Oh, it's so bad. I need to skip this part. So he starts doing like his plouts, and then he gets onto the street, and this is. His car sounds so bad. I've said it like 4 times already. Okay, so this is the part that everyone's seen on Instagram.
Wow. Look at right here.
Bro, his motor mounts, this poor car, bro, like, I feel so bad.
I've ever met in my fucking life.
You shouldn't be bragging about that.
That's crazy.
Oh shit. It's just like, what?
That's it.
What is your goal? What is the purpose of this? Like, what are you trying to accomplish? I'm just not with it, guys. I'm not with it.
20 feet. Been 20 feet on motor.
B20B.
I'm weak.
You already know the business. This shit's still red. I'm red all day.
Hey. That's right, super
18,
waiting.
24, 32.
Hey.
You gotta throw that shit on red right now. Gamble that shit.
Let's get it. Hey, get in the car. We out. We out.
My car is blue, and his car is red. Anyways.
And I am not.
Fuck you, ready. You ain't caught it.
Let's go. Move. Go.
Oh my god, he's gonna kill someone. They start realizing that
chill, dog.
There's cops going by and stuff. And now he's kind of chilling out. He's like, alright, maybe I should rethink this.
Yo, they're straight on.
Did they pass?
I'm fucking super weak.
Oh, they're coming this way. Oh, they're going the wrong way.
Stop!
Oh, fucking shit.
Just drive off.
So this is the other video you guys have seen.
No, drive off. Fuck that.
So the cops are not messing around at this point.
No, what are you doing?
Okay. The balls it takes with guns drawn at you to rev your car and do a two-step, which sounds like gunshots, like, I don't know about balls, that's just stupidity, alright? You know, in reality, he's probably chilling in there, he's probably sitting there like, he's like this. He's got the cops' guns pulled on him, he's like, "Yo, soy, what's up? I'm super witted! I said it before I did it! I said it before." Bro. Okay, so at this point, oh man, okay.
Just a car!
Yeah, so they're...
It's just a car!
His buddies are yelling that it's just a car.
It's just a car!
Look at the attention that he's drawing. He's got like... Bro, he's got every cop in Las Vegas on him. He's arrested. They are not playing around with this guy.
Everyone's leaving. Nada modelo, ¿eh? Eso. Dígale algo a la cámara, compa.
Alright guys, that's basically where the video ends. The rest of it is just his buddies basically recording him getting arrested, and then they kind of walk around on the strip. Nothing else really happens, but as you can see, he's arrested at this point. Who knows what he's up to right now? If he's in jail, if he's out, where his car is, who knows? This is where his story ends for now. So if you guys are super with it, and you say it before you do it, make sure, drop a like down below, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, stay with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for 4K. Peace out.
Fight.